What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. One of the biggest threats to your nest egg is sequence of return risk. Bad market years early in retirement can derail your plan. So let's see how Empower is going to help you prepare. Today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Empower to plan for sequence of risk returns. The first point is to run retirement scenarios. In Empower's retirement planner, you can simulate different investment return sequences to see how downturns at the start of retirement impact your cash flow. Next point is to stress test your portfolio. Use Empower's recession simulator to apply historical downturns like 2008 or 2000. This shows how your portfolio would have held up during tough markets. Point 3 is to adjust withdrawals. Experiment with different withdrawal strategies like fixed amounts, percentages, or flexible spendings. Empower lets you see how easy choice changes your long-term sustainability. The fourth point is diversification check. Now, you can review your asset allocations inside Empower to ensure that your portfolio is balanced enough to withstand volatility. Planning for sequence of returns risk gives you peace of mind, so you can retire with confidence no matter when the next downturn hits. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.